Brace yourselves, because Lamborghini has done it again. Welcome to the future of raging bulls. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. A car so bold, so fierce, and so unapologetically fast, it doesn't just roar, it dominates. Let's start with that jaw-dropping exterior. The 2026 Temerario is a design revolution. Sculpted in Sant'Agata Bolognese, its sharp, aerodynamic lines scream aggression, but with purpose. Every vent, every crease serves a function. The Y-shaped LED headlights, inspired by fighter jets, give it an unmistakable Lamborghini gaze. And those active aero panels? They shift dynamically at high speeds, giving the Temerario both beauty and brains. Wrapped in ultralight carbon fiber and available in never-before-seen color options like volcanic neon and ghost silver, this machine isn't just a supercar, it's a moving piece of art. Step inside and you're welcomed into a futuristic cockpit. No, seriously, it feels like a jet. The 2026 Temerario blends extreme luxury with track-ready technology. A fully digital curved OLED display stretches across the dash, giving real-time performance data, telemetry, and customizable driving modes. Carbon fiber and Alcantara line every surface, and the new LamboLink system brings AI-assisted driving features, 3D navigation, and voice commands that actually understand you. And the seats? Lightweight carbon bucket seats with memory foam tech that molds to your body. Brutal performance has never been this comfortable. But let's get to the real beast hiding under that rear hatch. The Temerario is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid, pushing out a staggering 950 horsepower. That's right, 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.3 seconds and a top speed of 355 km per hour. This is Lamborghini's most powerful V8 hybrid system ever, combining raw combustion power with electric torque for instant acceleration. And the sound? Oh, it's spine-tingling. Lamborghini engineered a new Temerario Resonance Exhaust to deliver a howl that could shake mountains. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just a car, it's a bold statement. A symbol of what happens when performance, technology, and Italian passion collide. Whether you're carving mountain passes or stealing the show at a Monaco car meet, the Temerario is born to thrill. What do you think? Is this the future of Lamborghini, or have they gone too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you take this over a Ferrari, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane car content. Until next time, keep driving fast and living louder.